To add or change keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down, and then you want to go to General Management. Now, over here in the General Management, we should be able to go to the Samsung keyboard settings. In here, tap on Languages and Types, and if you want to add a new language, you can go to Manage Input Languages, and now we can download the language that you wish to use on your phone. Instead of scrolling on this list, you can also use the search option here in the upper right corner. So let's say I'm gonna search for German. There we go. We should be able to download the language, and once it is downloaded, we can of course enable or disable it. And here, of course, we can also remove languages that you no longer need to use. In case you want to remove the old language, you can do so over here. If you want to, you can also keep two languages, of course. They are going to be displayed in here. And now if I go to keyboard, I should be able to see which language is being used at a given moment by looking at the spacebar. You can find this globe icon or button that allows you to switch between all languages that you have available on your phone. On the keyboard, that is. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.